The Permatex Complete Rear Window Defogger Repair Kit provides materials and instructions to repair rear window defogger grids and tabs. The kit includes 1 bottle of quick grid repair compound, 1 packet of tab adhesive, 1 activator towelette, 1 alcohol towelette, 1 brush, 1 stencil, a 2x5 inch piece of sandpaper, and an instruction sheet. Since this kit contains 2 different solutions for rear window defoggers, there are instructions on both sides for each application. To repair scratched or broken rear window defogger grid lines, the Permatex Quick Grid Rear Window Defogger Repair is the perfect solution. First, determine which grid line is broken and where the repairs need to be made. You can determine this visually or using a multimeter. Next, turn off the rear defogger. Clean the glass around the broken grid line with the alcohol towelette provided. Remove the protective backing from the stencil and carefully place over the broken area of the grid. Make sure to align both ends of the broken line with the stencil. Ensure there is a good seal between the window and the stencil by pressing the stencil against the window to remove any air bubbles. Shake the bottle of repair compound well. If there is any solid material on the sides or bottom of the bottle, use a toothpick to break it up. It is important that the compound is mixed completely. Using the small brush provided, apply the repair compound over the stencil. Make sure the repair compound overlaps with both ends of the broken line. Wait for the surface to become tack-free. Repeat the application procedure 3 times. Check the repair from the inside. There should be no light showing through the repaired area. If there is light, apply another coat of repair compound. Remove the stencil after 30 minutes. Wait 24 hours before turning on the defogger. If you have a multimeter, check for resistance. There should be 0 resistance on either side of the fix. The Permatex Rear Window Defogger Tab Adhesive will only work on tabs that have become detached from the side grid of electric defoggers. This product will not work on bare wires that have been soldered to the window grid and have been removed. The surface to which the tab is to be adhered must be smooth and flat. First, turn off the rear defogger. Carefully remove the tab from the wire assembly. Ensure that the tab is flat and makes complete contact with the mounting surface. Clean the lead attachment area on the rear window and the tab with the supplied alcohol towelette. Do not mount the tab on the same area if the grid has been removed from the glass. There must be some grid so that a complete circuit can be made. If the grid has come off with the tab, rub the tab on a flat piece of 180 grit or finer sandpaper until the surface is flat and the same color. Grasp the corners of the cleaner activator towelette packet and gently pull apart until the green towelette is completely visible. Do not remove the towelette from the protective foil cover. Hold the cleaner activator towelette by the back of the protective cover and wipe the grid areas where the tab will be attached. Also wipe the mounting surface of the tab. Allow the activator to dry for at least 2 minutes. However, the tab must be attached within 15 minutes of activation. Do not touch the grid mounting surface or tab after applying the activator. Place the adhesive pouch on a firm surface and rub your fingernail over the pouch. Thoroughly knead the tab adhesive pouch until it is a uniform beige color. Cut the top of the pouch and apply 1 drop of adhesive to the surface of the tab. Immediately apply the tab to the rear window grid. Hold firmly for 1 minute. Allow 24 hours before turning on the defogger. If you have a multimeter available, check between the tab and grid for continuity. There should be 0 ohms resistance between the tab and grid. Uncured adhesive around the grid may be cleaned off with alcohol. If you have questions about this or any other Permatex product, please visit our website at www.permatexrepair.com, www.permatex.com, or call 1-87-PERMATEX.